Now, I would like to say a good presentation that was done by Butch here on hearing aid, and he would like to mention to all of the listeners a message, and I would like you to hear what is this message that he would like to share with you.
Actually, since it's a new center, we want to invite them to see our hearing center. If you tell us that you watch WhatsApp Doc tonight, you have a free hearing aid trial.
Aba, okay yun na.
Hearing aid trial.
Aba, okay yun na.
Okay, lalo na pag doon sa mga elderly na nabibingi. Just tell me, nanood kaming WhatsApp Doc, so I'll have a free hearing aid trial.
Ayan, Well, that's good for WhatsApp Doc.
Just look for me. Just look for me.
Yeah, just look for Butch, and you will have a free hearing examination. I think this is a good move. It's a good promo because we have a new center here. As a matter of fact, hindi po complete nung tapos eh. Pero ito pong hearing center po natin, fully equipped na. Fully equipped na. And so, Butch, let us, I have to thank you for that. And really, ang buhay po naman hindi lang po ganon-ganon, no? Hindi lang po kahit ganon, hindi lang po panay kabig po, kailangan we really have to do some community works, and I believe that this is one community works that Butch is doing. Well, kayo po ang nakarinig sa kanya, kapag meron po kayong anak na may problema sa tenga, nagkaroon sila ng problema sa pagdinig, o yung mga matatanda, pumunta lang po kayo rito and enjoy the promo of Butch Henson here at Clinic Henson Hearing Aid Center. Well, in conclusion po, I would like to say that hearing problem is a problem not only here in the Philippines but all over the world, because of the many elderlies that we have now. Hindi po kamukha nung araw ang lifespan po 55 lang. Pagkatapos naging 60. Ngayon po ang lifespan natin dito, umabot po tayo ng 75, up to 85, up to 90. And at that particular age po, magkakaroon tayo ng problema dyan sa tenga. Kamukha rin ng mga bata na mention Butch, kung minsan bata pa lang, meron silang congenital problem dyan sa tenga, meron po tayong means ngayon na magagawa sa kanila. Lalong-lalo na yung cochlear implant, bagong-bago po yan, at saka yung brain anchored hearing aid, bagong-bago rin po yan, na nagagawa na po natin dito sa center na ito. At saka also available are the three kinds of hearing aid. We have the body hearing aid, we have the behind the ear, and the inside the ear. Kayo po, mga kaibigan po natin sa WhatsApp Doc, sana po huwag kayong magsasawa na kasama po kayo dito sa aming TV show, WhatsApp Doc. With all of you, I can say, Godspeed po.